So we're going to go to the horse track, and we just saw a big white. We saw a cat with stripe, and let's wait for a corner. So.
What are we gonna do at the horse track?
We're gonna watch them race, and we're gonna get candy, right?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So are you excited? We're almost here. It's starting to rain a little bit though. We'll see what happens. So what are we doing?
We're at the horse track.
We're walking to the track.
Yeah.
What's that?
Horse.
Horse? These are the horses that are going to race.
Yeah.
They're getting them ready. They're going to walk them over there to the track. You want to go to the track now?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right. So we're here. Let's get inside. Want to go see the kids stuff?
Yeah. We just saw the dog.
Family Friday.
Yeah.
Did you have fun in the bouncy house? You want to go look at some horses now?
Yeah.
Let's go see where they are.
They made us so we could sit on. See, but you get rainbows.
You want to sit up here? This is where you go and pick which horses you want to win. You getting ready for the race? You ready for the next one? Huh? Yeah, look how muddy it is. You see how muddy the track is? You excited? You're gonna see your first race now? What do you think?
We just missed the one.
Who's gonna win?
Number 3.
Number 3? Oh, we'll see. We're gonna bring the horses by right now. You ready?
Going now?
Here they come. They're gonna come around the corner. Hey, well that one's no good. Splash around. Hey, look. That's that place that gave you a Frisbee when we watched the fireworks. Remember that? That's a cool truck. You want that? We have to wait because they're going to bring the horses by, okay? For the next race. Here they come. These are the guys that are going to race next. Okay. 101. Cool? You like that? Hey, so out of those horses, which one do you think is going to win? What number? Tell me.
Number
4?
4? Yeah.
Okay.
4
We'll see.
Wearing pink.
Yeah?
That's a boy wearing pink.
Boy wearing pink?
Yeah.
That's the guy that does that song on the trumpet. Why don't you ask him if you can go play? If you can play it? Think you can play it? No. You gonna dance? Where do you think that guy is? Is he up there? So that means he's going to race again, and guess what? I went and bet on your horse, the one you wanted, number 4, okay? And I got number 8. You ready? You're going to get ready to race? Where's your number 4?
It's at the back.
Look at these people up here. You see them? Right up there in that box? They're the announcers for horse racing television. So when it's on TV right now, they're the ones that are talking. Go for it!
From the inside comes 7.
Guess what? Number 4 won, Tristyn. You picked the winners. Want to get one? The little small guy with the white pants, he's the one that rides the horses. He's the one that races the horse. See that guy with the helmet? Tristyn, here comes some more jockeys. You guys that ride the horses? Here they come. Huh?
Tonight, to the top of the world tonight.
There you go.
And they're up.
Yeah, so they're going to move the starting gates, and then that's where the finish line is going to be. Right there. Okay. Where are we going, Tristyn? Oh yeah? See the tractors fixing the track? So it's the last race. Who do you think's gonna win?
Number 5.
Number 5? Alright, let's see.
I think number 3.
Number 3?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I will definitely the winner.
Okay, so we're gonna put the horses in the gates. You see them way across there? Let's race. Did you have fun? Wanna go to the playground over here real quick?
Yeah.
Let's go. Look, they're doing the news right there.
What?
Said they're doing the news right there.
Good night, guys. Have a good weekend.
Ready? Did you have fun at the races?
Yes.
Yeah, and you want to come back?
Yeah, you know why?
Why?
Because it's fun. It's totally fun. So that.